This is a quick video, not really a mod or a repair, but I just finished a project here and I'm out, this can's empty. It sprayed good the whole time, and if you're used to using these rattle cans, you know that the tips get clogged. So if mine worked great and I'm done with the can, then I save the tip. I put a little bit of this lubricant in the bottom of a tub like this, and I'll swirl it around and make sure that it gets covered with the lubricant. Then get a rag, take it out, and wipe it down. I'll obviously be using both hands here, but I really make sure to clean that black tip so there's no residual material on that at all. It doesn't matter what color. This one's clear, obviously, but and then I make sure that there's a little bit of this lubricant in that little tip pocket right there, and just kind of dab it out. And I have a drawer full of these for different things. I use adhesives, and those are notorious for clogging. And when I'm done with those, even if the can is still has some in it, then I will clean those tips off fastidiously and make sure that when I put it back that they're clean as a whistle, because when these tips clog up, it's a hassle. And if you have a spare that's nice and clean like this, just take that nasty tip off there, toss it, put a new one on that you recycled, and 9 times out of 10 it's going to work great.